Hello friends, welcome to HiTech Talk. Today I'm going to talk about Zoom on mobile device. Zoom on mobile device, you can get it in iOS as well as in Android. For iOS, you can get it in Apple, and for Android, you can get it in Google Play Store. So I will go to my Google Play Store to download Zoom. We will type Zoom. Okay, and this is the one, Zoom Cloud Meetings. We will click on install to get this app. I have not installed it. While this gets downloaded, I will tell you what we are going to talk about in this video today, like how to join a meeting, how to host a meeting, and all different features of video sharing, file sharing. And if you are not a part of a meeting and still you want to join a meeting with the meeting ID, or if you are hosting a meeting, all those things I will tell you in this video today. Okay, so it is downloaded and we will click on open. So on the starting page only, it gives you an option to join a meeting, and we will scroll sideways. You can also share your content on Zoom. You can message your team, like you can send text, voice messages, files, and images. Work from anywhere like this. You can use it on your phone, on your iPad, on your device, on any device, laptop, desktop, anywhere you can use Zoom and you can get connected to the world. So if you directly want to join a meeting, I will just click on join a meeting. And to join a meeting, you need to have the meeting ID on which you are invited. Like someone else is the host, someone else is hosting a meeting, and you have the meeting ID, then you can go ahead and join the meeting from this particular place. You have to need to enter the meeting ID over here. And you can also, the second option, you can see like join with a personal link name. You can click on that, put a name, and join the meeting. And you have options over here like don't connect to audio and turn off my video. Like you can turn off the video and you can only be in the meeting with the audio, like you can still hear the audio on the meeting. And if you select the option as don't connect to audio, then you won't be able to hear them, but you can still watch the video of the meeting. So let's go back and let me just quickly sign up over here. You will quickly do the sign up onto Zoom. We will put the details and we will sign up on Zoom. So once you sign up and then sign into Zoom, you will get this page. Like you open Zoom, you sign in and you get into this page. We have a lot of options over here. First is new meeting. If you want to start a meeting, like you want to host a meeting, you can click on that. Join is to join a meeting, like you already have a meeting ID in place and someone is hosting and invited you into a meeting and you have the meeting ID. There is an option of join a meeting, schedule a meeting, and screen share. So we will quickly go ahead and click on new meeting to see how exactly it works. So here it is video on, so you can anytime off the video, like turn off the video and start the meeting, or you can keep it on. And here you see you can also start the meeting using your use personal meeting ID. So let's, right now I will just keep the video on and start a meeting. So we will give it all the access it wants. Got it. You need to allow to record audio, allow. You need to allow to take pictures and videos. So here it is. At the top, do you see it has the meeting ID and the password? So this is a new meeting. So this is the meeting ID and this is the password. So if you are the host of the meeting, like you're hosting a new meeting, so you can share this meeting ID and password with the teammates or with your colleagues or anyone you want them to invite. You can just enter this as the conference ID, that is meeting ID 861, and the password is given below. So we will quickly check what it is. Okay, you can invite. So how we can invite, in the below you can see the option is invite others, invite your contacts to join this meeting. Click on that. You get options to invite, like you can click on invite, and there are many options in a way you invite a meeting. Like you can send them SMS, or you can send them email, or you can copy the URL. You can also invite them through the contacts. Let me go back. You can also stop the video, and this is how you can stop the video. And you can mute yourself if you don't want anyone to hear you in the Zoom meeting. You just want to hear from the other end, so you can mute it. You can unmute. You can also share, like you can click on the share option. It will give you a lot of options to share the documents and all. Like you can share the photos, documents, Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, web URL, bookmark, your screen. You can also share a whiteboard and explain. Participants I have already informed about. And you have one more option of more over here. If you click, you can disconnect, as well as you can go to meeting settings. So there we have a lot of settings over here. Allow participants to chat, show non-video participants. There's all settings are there. So I will quickly close this off. I will end this meeting to show you all the other options on the Zoom app. As you're the host, you can either end the meeting, and if you want the other invitees you have to continue with it, you can just leave the meeting and let them continue. So right now I will end the meeting. So that was the option for new meeting. We have one more option to join. So as I said in the starting, you just need to enter the meeting ID, a personal name, and join the meeting with the audio off or the video off, as the options are there. Again, you have schedule. Click on it, so you can schedule a meeting. Like you can put the name and password, and you can schedule a meeting for yourself and click on done. It will go to the invitees you have invited onto, and you can also add it to your calendar. Then share screen. If you have been invited to a meeting, you can just enter the meeting ID or the sharing ID. If someone has already invited you to a meeting and you want to share, then you can use this option as share screen with the meeting ID over here. You can also add contacts and start chatting with your friends, your family, or anyone. Like you can add contacts of the people who are on Zoom, and you can continue chatting and have a video chat on this particular app. And if you go to the meeting options, you can see your personal meeting ID, and you can send invitation to join the meeting from here itself by clicking on send invitation. And contacts, anyway, you can enable it to sync with your phone contacts, as well as you can store and create new contacts on Zoom. And finally, we have settings. You have meeting settings over here, auto connect to audio, lots of settings over here. You can select whichever is required accordingly. And chat settings are also there for this particular app. And contacts, like you see phone contacts and contact requests are there. And that's just your profile, like my profile on the Zoom. You can set your profile on Zoom, like your department, job title, and all. So this is all we have for this particular app as Zoom app. Let us know your queries on the comments. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can write it on the comment, and we will glad to answer you there. And also, if you want to know more about Zoom and how to use it on desktop and laptop, let us know so that we can make a video on that and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.